In this video, I'll show you how to make Thunderbird use a 12-hour clock using AM and PM instead of a 24-hour clock like military time. And that way you can see the time of your emails received in AM and PM. So you can see here I received this email and it's 17:22, but since I don't use military time, I find that kind of confusing and annoying. So to make Thunderbird use a 12-hour clock so it uses AM and PM, what you need to do is click right up here in the corner with the 3 little dots, and then you can click on Settings. Then right over here in the General tab, you can go here on the search and you can start to type in config, and then right down here on the offline you can go right over here and click on the config editor setting. So just open this up. Then what you'll need to do is paste this text right here in the search. And this text right here is in the video description, so you can just copy and paste it from the video description. So you can see there is this option right here in the advanced preferences, and there are 3 types here. We want to change this type to string, and that way we'll be able to edit it. So now to edit it, you want to click on this plus button right here. So click on the plus, and now we can actually edit this setting. Then what you want to do is you want to paste in this bit of text here, so you can again copy and paste it from the video description, or you can just punch it in. So there's an H, then a colon, then 2 M's, then a space and an A, and I believe this is giving Firefox the data of what you want to display. So this is like the hour and then the minutes, and then I believe the A stands for AM and PM. So after you've punched this in, you can just click on the check mark there to save that. Now you're not going to see an update until you restart Thunderbird. So I'm just going to close Thunderbird and then open it up again. Alright, so I've reopened up Thunderbird, so I'm now just going to close this tab and close this tab as well. So now back here on the main screen, you can see right here, instead of being the 17:22, it now says 5:22 p.m. So I can say I received this at about 5 in the afternoon. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.